Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the newest backpack from Tolaccea. This is the U06. This is their brand new model. So let's take a look at its features. So it comes in at 4.3 pounds and it measures 22 by 12 by 10 inches in depth. And let's look at some of its features. So this is a 40 liter backpack and it fits quite a bit of stuff. So first, let's show you how to carry it. So you can carry it on the side here or up top. And it also has this handle so you can attach it to your rolling luggage so you don't have to carry it. And of course, it turns into a backpack. So the straps are stored in this compartment back here. You can pull that out and just attach it right here. You can attach it in here. Show you. Push that thing down and lock it up. There you go. And same thing for the other side. You just push it in this strap right here, and there you go. And it also has these, you can attach this so it'll be easier to carry it to balance the weight, and these are adjustable. So you can adjust them according to your comfort. And let's see, so it has 4 compression straps, so 2 on each side. These are the other 2 compression straps on this side. And it has this very large water bottle holder. So I just have a small bottle in here, but you can fit pretty big bottles there. And now for some of the compartments here. So over here in the top, you have this easy access storage, where I just like to put like my battery bank, a couple of charging cables, and some Kleenex. And you can put your passport in there also. And there's this little secret compartment right here. So you can put some valuables in there and you can attach your keys. And a couple more things in the front. So this is for your glasses. It's lined here with some soft felt so it doesn't scratch your glasses, and I put my sunglasses in here. And this compartment right here, let me open this up. This is for your dirty clothes or wet products, so the water doesn't go in your backpack. So this is waterproof, which is nice. And now let's open up the other parts of the backpack. So one way you can open it is from the top. So this top part opens up, so you can have easy access to your laptop. It has a laptop compartment here. But if you want a bigger opening, let me close that top part up. And it also opens up, where's the zipper at? It's right here. So you can open it up right here. And it's wide open, as you can see. And the cool thing about this backpack is they give you 3 storage bags. This is 7.5 liter. This is a 6 liter bag. And this is a 5 liter bag. This is like your toiletry kit. Let me show you. So we have like all these little compartments for the toiletry bag. And these are just normal storage bags, so there's no other compartments, but you can fit quite a bit of stuff in there. And this is the largest one. I have a bunch of shirts in here for my weekend trip here in New York. And the cool thing here is they give you this shoulder strap for these bags so you can attach it to these yellow strings right here, which turns it into a shoulder bag. So if you need a shoulder bag, you can just strap it on there and carry it, which is pretty convenient. And you can do this for all 3 of the bags because they have the orange strings where you can attach the straps onto. So let me take these out. I'm gonna have some pants in here. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. So this is just a quick weekend trip, but you can do it for 4 or 5 day trips because it's such a big backpack. And over here, some more storage compartments. So 3 zippered pockets. And up here, I like to keep my charging cables and stuff to charge my laptop with, and my AirPods. So as you can see, This is a very useful backpack, and I really like it for small trips because I don't have to carry a lug around the rolling luggage because it fits a lot of stuff. So there you go. This is the newest release from Tolaccea, the U06. If you're interested in this backpack, I've placed a link down in the description. Using that link really helps support our channel so we can keep creating more travel videos for you to enjoy.